much. Hope you like this episode very much. Namaskar. In formal occasions and weddings also. So let's get started. আজকে আমি একটু অষ্টমী সাজের মতো সেজেছি পুরোটা টিস্যুর ওপর এরকমই কিছু কোরা টিস্যু আরো ভ্যারাইটিস আজকে আমি দেখাবো The product number 1 is in organza. These are silk organzas with thread work. See, this is the thread work in the border. Both the borders will have the same work. Here is the pallu part. The border will go running along with the achal. 7,990 rupees, 7990, a lemon color with red and pink work. And the border will go throughout with little buttas in the body also. It will have a crepe, chinon crepe blouse piece, solid color with the piping because the body has throughout work. So the sari is with border pallu concept, and this is the design. Here comes the pallu and the lemon blouse. You can just make it sleeveless, close neck, lemon color blouse, and use the red piping. It's a very smart looking color, lightweight, very soft. Product number 1. Now coming to product number 2, the same thing in light ash color. See, all the colors are very sober, soft, very simple saris, but you know the color, and actually we love organzas because it gives a very feminine and a very sexy look after wearing. So this is why we love these kind of lightweight, easy to carry, easy to maintain also. 7990. It's a silver ash color. It's very much in fashion now. See, and especially when you will make it with the same blouse piece, so the color will stand out more. This is the sari. ₹7,990. Same thing, a soft strawberry pink color. So I was getting messages to show pastel shades in organza. So these are the new colors that has been created for you. Soft baby pink. You can exactly understand the color from here. 7990 for this too. Very neat finish in strawberry pink throughout the sari. Again, the same work. This is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, pink color with the piping, red piping, and this pink and red. It's a very cute combination, pink and red. Here is the actual color. Now little fancy ones in organzas. This is organza Banarasi, or you can say Kora Banarasi, whatever you may call, with Kashmiri work. Rich bottle green. The border is in zari and the work is in thread work. This is machine work. Throughout the work will be there, except the palla part will be again in woven. Only 8,990 rupees for a organza Banarasi with so much of work. You can see the Kashmiri work. The work is very, very uncommon and it's throughout. And this bottle green color with the red combination thread work, this is also very rich. And with this you get this running blouse piece with both side border. This is the blouse piece, this is the sari, very smart looking sari. $8990, product number 4. Similar one I'll show you in a burgundy color. Same thing in burgundy color. Now let me tell you what our address. It's in 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near Baliganj railway station. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, and this is our birthday month. This is our 26th year running. So it's our we are really proud to announce this. So in this episode I'll be showing you variety of fancy saris. This is also 8990, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. That is near the Citizen Park. We have the car park in front of our store, and for those who are not from Kolkata, we will be couriering it to you. In Kolkata only, cash on delivery possible with an additional charge. Outside Kolkata, we are shipping regularly. International shipments are also done. We ship worldwide, and if you once the payment is done, we will courier it to you to your destination. We have our tailoring unit where fall picot is also done, and also the tailoring, blouse stitching will also be done. But once the fall picot is done, there is no, we will not exchange if you need to. So it's best to get the blouse stitched and then ship it if you want, and if not, then we have the provision to ship it as it is also. Now this is a lovely organza party wear sari with hand zardozi cut work in red. It's a beautiful party wear sari in bright red. This is absolutely hand work zardozi with cut work. 17,900 rupees, product number 6. 17,900 in silk organza with fully hand work in apla, zardozi, sequins, pearl, gota, kardana. So many intricate fancy materials have been used along with this cut work. See the work, fully party wear fancy sari. The back side, let me show you, its fall is already attached. So see, the fall is attached so that it is very, the finish is very complete. Because once you attach the fall, the scalloping you will not be able to attach it this way. So we've already done the fall for you. And the blouse is also heavy. It will be in crepe chignon with the back side thread work and also the cut work sleeves. This is the sleeves. So it's a crepe chignon blouse piece, and here is the sari. It's a very gorgeous, rich bridal. It's a bridal collection also. You can wear it into any parties or any, on your wedding occasions, your marriage anniversaries. Chicken curry in organza, light lemon color, throughout embroidery. We have more colors in this. We have pinks, we have lime green, nice colors. We had shown in previous episode also. Don't remember the episode, but it was shown. Other colors were also shown. 8,800 rupees for this in lemon. 8800. All over work and of course lightweight. Puja collections are added every day, so you can visit the branches for more options. This is the blouse piece, the lemon color, simple lemon blouse piece, because the work is again throughout. So the sari is highlighted, the blouse is kept simple. Very smart looking, rich thread work. This is silk kota silk kota shaded. Shaded silk organza, not kota, it's organza only. Silk organza shaded, it's a very lovely pastel dusty shade, but it's very soothing color combination, very different. The upper part is greyish green color and the middle part is onion pink color. This is the pallu, throughout work 8500, 8500. See the back side finish. So you can understand how much stress we give on the finish of the product, the complete look, the piping, the thread work, the cutting of the fabric, the edging, everything is very important to give a complete neat finish. This is the blouse piece, it's crepe chinon, and this is the sari. All single piece, because these are all fancy party wear, all signature collection single piece, and no orders for this. Again another chinon. This is chinon zardozi. Half sari will have this Kashmiri work, paisley, Kashmiri till the hip. This is the upper part, the body part will have the Kashmiri part, and the rest then will come only the buttas, the paisley buttas. Very soft, lightweight chinon with thread work blouse piece. This is this blouse piece with buttas. So this is the sari. In case I miss out the price, please check the description part. This is 5,990 rupees. It's all mentioned. The description is mentioned in the scroll. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to the number provided, any one of the number. What happens is, when you contact one number for a product and give the payment details, again you are giving it to the other WhatsApp number, which is another branch itself. So maybe even if the product is there, it gets shipped to somebody else, there's lot of confusion. Kindly message only one number, and even if you are messaging the other number, please say that you've contacted the other number. 10,950 rupees, 10,950 for this Georgette Kashmiri all over embroidery in burgundy color with beige color thread work throughout, with Zardozi border also. It will have this Georgette blouse piece with the embroidery. This is the blouse piece for this sari. Again a lovely party wear, and especially the color. See the work, so much of work but absolutely lightweight. We have other colors in this also, like black with the red work and also navy blue with a turquoise work. Zardozi Kashmiri in Georgette. And now something about like what I am wearing. This sari is in tissue throughout, embroidery in tissue with tassels, handmade tassels in multicolors. It's a real Banarasi tissue, and the price of this sari, this will be the blouse piece for this. This is 10,900 for the sari, 10,900. Preferably you can make a red blouse and use this sleeves as puff sleeve, transparent big puff sleeve, or you know the frill sleeves, butterfly sleeves. It will look very nice instead of making it tight, because this tissue it may tear out. So don't wear the tight blouses for the tissue. You can wear the butterfly sleeve with this tissue. 10,950 for the sari. And the neck piece that I am wearing, it's a double neck piece. You can wear it single also. This is a single tassel. This is the double one. So it's a Ganesha, Ganpati rice pearl double neck piece with this jhumka, 6,500 for the set. So, two of you can wear the neck piece or one can wear with the both neck piece up and down with this jhumka, 6,500 for the 3-piece set. Now a tussar throughout chickens with sequins and Paithani printed border. Now if it would have been a real Paithani, the cost would have been very high. So we've just given that impression by printing. So it's a Paithani printed border with self embroidery sequins throughout the sari and chicken work. It's a very uncommon sari and the color is, so see when it's peachish brown color. It's actually very uncommon color, light peachish brown, 13,900 rupees, pure tussar. 13,900, a very unusual, uncommon sari, and also the color. It's a beautiful shade, very uncommon shade. This is the blouse piece. See, the blouse piece will be also with work and the border. Pure tussar. Closely just see the embroidery. Again another tussar with self work, chicken with embroidery. See, it's a pink on pink. It's a monotone sari and a lovely shade of pink. See the work. This will have a crochet with this thread work. The body will be with sequins, again with thread work. Very smart looking sari, and this will be the pallu. Small pallu but throughout work. 12,500 for this beauty. And see the blouse piece. It's a digital printed blouse piece for this. Very smart looking blouse, digital printed blouse piece for this. Now what I am wearing, I'll show you more golds. We love Rekha ji style golds, and that also with little bit of embroidery. And this has so much of work, very lightweight, soft, pure silk Banarasi tissue in deep gold color. See the gold color. Multicolor tassels, handmade tassels, 10,500, 10,500, all gold, silk tissue with so much work and with blouse piece. So this is the real color of the gold tissue. You can really deck up well with these kind of saris. See the pallu part also. Another that was in deep red, gold. This is in lighter gold. Again with Banarasi woven pure tissue gold border with all over thread work, tassels in the pallu, 11,500. Very rich, gorgeous saris. You know, tissues look really good, very rich, very grand and very ethnic. These, you know, these are pride in our wardrobe with this blouse piece. Tissues, gold especially, are must-haves in our wardrobe. This color is also a beauty. Simple, you just need nothing. Simple, just tie your hair, wear a big red bindi and you are ready to go. Even if you don't wear much heavy jewelry, the sari speaks for itself. This is another tissue with a copper zari border and gold body. Wow, the sari itself is so gorgeous. Loving this. Throughout thread work, the border color is stunning. Pallu 10,500 and the work is also very neat. So much of work. See the back side. See the back side. How neat the finish is. So much of work, so you can understand how good quality the tissue is. The blouse piece for this. Now coming to silk kota chicken. Silk kota thread work throughout, Parsi embroidery, machine Parsi with dark maroon color border, pallu tassel, 8500, product number 16, 8500, off-white color with white thread. The body color is off-white, it's not milk white, it's off-white color. With the blouse piece, it's a lovely piece. Now it will be clear. Pallu. Similar one, I have a lemon. This episode all saris are single piece because these are all fancy saris, so I have not created in bulk. These are all single piece. Lemon color with a pink border. Silk kota throughout work. Beautiful color, 8500 only and very lightweight, trust me, very lightweight. Please like, share and subscribe, and like our Facebook page also, the Lemon Blouse Facebook page, where you will get regular updates on what's coming up in the next episode. So you can just have a preview of what's coming if you are willing to, if you are waiting for that kind of product, you can just have a look. These saris will also be uploaded in the Sui Dhaga collection, the chicken curry album. You can check out the Facebook page for the details also. There's the Laliyat Sanskriti Insta page also, so you can visit that page also. And about tussar, so you can see the mannequin, it's a charcoal black color, Ari embroidery border with sequins, copper sequins, matte sequins attached throughout in the body. Lovely shade of copper black color with shades of blue thread work and pista. 12,900 for the sari price. It has a matching blouse piece. See the finish, the piping. It's a very smart looking sari. Now coming to chicken. Red. I had myself worn a black in this, so it was very much in demand, so I made a red and white Georgette chicken throughout embroidery in geometric with sequins, pallu. Only 7,990 rupees. Yes, it has a satin fall attached. 7,990 for this. The red is also a very pretty red, very it has a beautiful shade of red with lovely thread work blouse piece for this. See, this will be the blouse piece for this. So with this sari, fall attached. Now fusion Georgette chicken with Parsi. The border is chicken work with Parsi embroidery with little bit of zari highlight. So this is a very pretty color combination also with purple thread work. 9,500 and the body is tone on tone, yellow to yellow with the contrast border, thread work border. See the pallu again, 9,500 for this. Very smart looking, very different sari. Again it will have a satin silk fall attached already. With running blouse piece with piping, because the sari itself is full of work. This is the sari, yeah. See. Just for you to see the fall attached. A pink in a similar one, pink with blue work in the border, the body self on self. Here is the pallu, 9,500 for this. Only WhatsApp messages for your bookings, no phone calls, only messages. Even when you make the payment to our business account, please send the screenshot of your payment. So the screenshot is very important for our record and also for your record. It will have the pink blouse piece only, and this is the sari. Very pretty party wear gota patti chicken curry Georgette sari. Now chicken work with Georgette gota, in Georgette gota. So see the silver pearl with gota thread work with this Rajasthani traditional border. It's a beautiful piece. Rich chicken pallu, 11,900 with zari highlight, 11,900. These are all machine work. 11,900 with fall attached. The body will have all over buta, dark navy blue color. With a lovely gota embroidery and beautiful sari. It's a deep navy blue color, and the blouse will also be rich work. See, this is the silver blouse piece, sleeves border here, and this is the sari. Just opened. Very smart looking. Gorgeous party wear. This gota work is very expensive, and especially with this pearl work in between. I have just two colors in this. This is pinkish color, and this has very big pallu actually. Very big pallu these, and see the work. All over buta, fall attached, 11,900. Again closely see the work, see the gota work specially. The blouse will also have the border work. Yeah, this is the blouse piece for this. Very smart sari and a stunning party wear gorgeous sari in Georgette. Now something that has come in the last moment, and a beautiful pure silk Kutch work sari, pure silk. See the embroidery. I would love to closely show you the work that has been done in Ari. Product number 23, 16,900. See the pallu. It's a Kanjivaram. This is the pallu with work in the zari also and in the silk border. The sari itself is fully zari woven with mirror work. Beautiful sari. The body throughout will also have mirror work, and the color is deep green with Rani color combination. Lovely magenta, and the blouse. Wow. See the Kutch work, full thread work blouse piece. Why is it on the higher side? Have you seen the blouse piece? The back, the front, the sleeves. Rich mirror work, silk blouse piece in contrast. So this is the sari. The last one, of course, our favorite, black. Sari number 24. Black and magenta. If you like the products, kindly leave a comment. Please show your photographs. Please share your photos to our WhatsApp number. We would love to see how you look when you drape them. It gives a lot of, it boosts our energy also, that maybe our creation is finding the right home. Product number 24 and 16,900 price. The work again. See, everything is embroidered. See this embroidery. See this work, the edging, the finish, so many lines of work. Even in the body, little mirror works throughout. Even the upper body will have work, and the blouse piece. Same price, and the blouse piece again in magenta. This is black and magenta. Here comes the gorgeous rich blouse piece, and if you have one blouse piece like this, you can mix and match with lot of your silk sarees. This is the blouse piece. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the program, and please do like, share and subscribe. We are open every day, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. for you. Thank you so much.